I think there's one thing we can all agree on, and that is that all laptop cameras suck. Let's say you got an important business meeting, maybe a job interview, or maybe you got lucky and got a virtual date. You want to make sure that you look your best because it is pretty hard to make a good first impression over a video call. Hey guys, my name is Zaim, and in this video, I'll show you how to use your DSLR or a mirrorless camera as a webcam. So if you have any interest in photography, chances are you already have a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. If you do, this video is for you. There's so many ways to connect your camera to your laptop. Some manufacturers these days have even started to offer apps that use your camera as a webcam, but usually those are pretty limited to the newer models. This method won't require you to rely on any apps from the manufacturers, so you can actually use almost any camera using this. To get started, you really only need two things. One is a capture card like this, which I got on Amazon, and a supported HDMI cable for your camera. A lot of YouTubers have been recommending CamLink, which is also a capture card, which has been pretty popular over the years. Unless you're streaming professionally, the CamLink is too expensive for the average person. So I looked on Amazon to see if I could find a no-brand capture card for a lower price, and I found this one for about 25 Canadian dollars. And so far, it's been working super nicely. All you have to do is plug your camera into the capture card using the supported HDMI cable, and that's it. In my case, my camera takes a micro HDMI cable, so that's what I went with. Once you plug your camera into your capture card and then into your laptop, you'll be able to select the USB camera on your laptop as a video source. And that's it. Now you can use your camera on any video apps that you want to use. It works with Zoom, FaceTime, Google Hangouts, Duo, and any other apps that you might want to use it with. From a settings point of view, there are a couple things that you gotta keep in mind. The first thing is, if you're seeing the camera UI show up, you gotta go into your settings and adjust your HDMI output. The other thing I recommend is plugging your camera into a power source. You can use a charge bank or plug your camera directly into an outlet. To take your camera quality to the next level, you can use a light like I'm using over here to give it more of a studio vibe. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe for more photography and technology content.